In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Wallet. Okay, so if I scroll up and go to Google Wallet, you can see this is my current Google Wallet. What you can do essentially here is save your credit and debit cards into Google Wallet. So you can see I've saved quite a few cards into my Google Wallet. Okay, so essentially what you have to do is you just load all your cards by clicking that add to wallet button, and you can simply connect your cards to your Google Wallet. And then when you go to the shops, you hold this Google Wallet app on, you choose the card first of all, then you hold it to the reader, or scan it, and then pay for your items that you just purchased. Okay, it's as simple as that. So it's really easy. If you don't have your card, you can just simply choose the card, hold it to the reader, and then you'll pay for your groceries or whatever it is. Okay, and you can simply click on add to wallet, and you can add a payment card and everything like that. It's as simple as that. So if this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.